If you think you know what a palm-sized drone can do, you need to throw those expectations out the window immediately. The jump from the original Neo to this next-generation powerhouse is not a minor upgrade. It is a complete paradigm shift. But to truly understand why the tech world is losing its mind over this unreleased device, we have to look at the massive engineering challenges DJI had to solve to make this tiny beast possible. Let's start with the single most talked about feature that has sent shockwaves through the filmmaking community: the camera. In the past, if you wanted a drone that could fit in your jacket pocket, you had to make massive sacrifices in video quality. You had to settle for tiny sensors, terrible low-light performance, and highly compressed footage that looked grainy the second the sun started to set. DJI looked at this limitation and decided to completely rebuild the camera architecture from scratch. The rumors coming out of the supply chain point to a jaw-dropping capability: a custom-designed sensor capable of shooting pristine 4K video at an astonishing 120 frames per second. Let that sink in for a moment. Most professional cinema cameras used by high-end production houses struggle to deliver clean, uncropped high-frame-rate 4K. Yet, DJI is cramming this exact capability into an aircraft that weighs less than a standard smartphone. This means your slow-motion B-roll is no longer going to look like a blurry, upscaled mess. It means every drop of water splash, every high-speed action sequence, and every dramatic cinematic turn can be stretched out into butter-smooth, ultra-high-definition slow motion that rivals Hollywood blockbusters. But a high-end camera is completely useless if the image is shaky. This brings us to the second major breakthrough of the Neo 3, the stabilization system. Traditional microdrones rely entirely on electronic image stabilization, which crops your field of view heavily and often creates a sickening, robotic warping effect around the edges of the frame. To fix this, DJI has engineered a highly complex, miniaturized mechanical gimbal system that works in perfect unison with their proprietary stabilization algorithms. This hybrid stabilization tech doesn't just keep the horizon level. It actively predicts your movement. If you're sprinting down a mountain trail, navigating through a dense forest, or riding a bike on a bumpy road, the camera system calculates the micro-vibrations in real time, neutralizing them before they can ruin your shot. It gives you that incredibly smooth, floating-on-air look that usually requires a massive drone and a professional pilot operating a dedicated controller. Yet the magic of the Neo 3 isn't just in how it shoots, it's in how it flies. The entire philosophy of this lineup is to remove the barrier between the creator and the camera. DJI wants to eliminate the friction of setup. They want you to focus entirely on your story, not on calibrating compasses, waiting for GPS locks, or messing with complex joysticks. This is where the highly advanced, upgraded AI subject tracking engine comes into play. The artificial intelligence running on the internal processors of this machine is light years ahead of anything we've seen in the consumer space. It doesn't just track your outline like older models did. It uses deep learning neural networks to actively recognize facial features, body language, and even predict your movement paths. If you run behind a tree or briefly step behind an obstacle, the drone doesn't lose you and fly away. It calculates your trajectory, maintains its position,